Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is absorption. 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 Absorption is a noun that refers to the process of taking in or soaking up something, whether it's a physical substance, information, or energy. It's a versatile term used in various contexts. Here are some examples. Example number 1. The absorption of carbon dioxide by trees is a critical part of the carbon cycle. Why absorption is used in example number 1. In this example, absorption is used to describe the process by which trees take in carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Example number 2. Acoustic panels in the recording studio enhance sound absorption, creating a better recording environment. Why absorption is used in example number 2. Here, absorption is used to explain how acoustic panels soak up sound. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.